Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. This one is your 15 dot student abacus. This is outer body is called a frame of your student abacus. This one is your answer bar. On answer bar there are dots, so that dot is called home points. That home points used for to start your calculation. You can start your calculation from any one of these home point, but generally we need to start from this middle one. So these are the lower bits, these are the upper bits. These bits are above your answer bar, that's why it is the upper bits. These bits are below your answer bar, and that's why it is called the lower bits. So upper bits have value 5 and lower bits have value 1. So this one is your center rod, this is a 5, this one is your 1, this is 1, and then this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is a 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. So this one is your 0. That means this is a clear position. Right now there is no bits touched to your answer bar, that's why we can say that it's showing the abacus showing the 0 value or null value, or abacus is clear. Okay, so this is what 9, this is 1919, this is 119, right? This is 109, and this one is your 100, and this one is your 000. If you consider this one, right now it is 10, so 1010. This is 4040, this is 4545. This is what how to read the number and how to count the number. Again we can do the simple additions. If you need to add the plus 2, plus 1 and plus 5, right? So answer is 8. Let's see the another one example. Plus 3, plus 5, minus 2, plus 3, and minus 7. Answer is 2. This is how we can use the abacus. Now for further we need to take some coaching so that we can able to work on it, right? So this is what the 15 dot student abacus. Thank you.